Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda and this is Brenda Views. So today I'm going to review a ponytail, and the difference between this ponytail and the other ponytail that I had is that this is human hair, and I'm super excited about it because the other ponytails that I've had, they are like 40 bucks each, and every time I wear them I definitely have to like either get rid of them or throw them away because they get so ugly after a while because of the synthetic hair, and I could not find a real human hair ponytail. So everywhere I went there was none, and I finally decided to look online and I found this company called ZALA, and they actually have human hair ponytails. As a matter of fact, I found a couple. The reason I went with this company is because of the reviews, so let's hope that I am happy with it because I'm really excited about it. When I got it I was very impressed. The packaging is actually very beautiful and the hair is very beautiful. I did open it because I wanted to match my hair. My hair is a little bit tiny bit darker. I did not exchange it. They do have a 60-day exchange policy if you don't use the hair, but I didn't exchange it because I know my hair is going to get lighter because I just got it done. I don't dye it too much, but I do dye it every once in a while because the bottom of my hair, because of the bleach, it does get orangey. So when I messed up my hair it was all uneven, and that's why I still use extensions, because if I put it down you can see the unevenness of it, but if I cut it all off it's gonna be choppy. It's just a mess, but it is getting a lot better. It's getting a lot longer and I'm thankful that I'm able to fix it. So I'm not complaining, I'm just letting you guys know what has been going on. So yes, I definitely learned my lesson not to mess with my hair too much, and I am very like I just like really taking care of it. So extensions right now is the best bet for me, and for me to find this extensions I am super excited about it. So that's why I wanted to share with you guys. So this is what it looks like. I got the 22 inches in the darkest brown, which is like a mocha brown. It is actually very beautiful. This is what it looks like on the inside. So I have thrown all my synthetic other ponytails away because they got really ugly, but I wish I would have kept them because they're like a clip. So it was weird when I would walk, the clip would fall, and I was just so uncomfortable with it. I couldn't find anything that would wrap around my head like this except for one at Ulta, but that one was really hard to find, and I really like that ponytail. That synthetic hair actually did last me a good 4 months, and I did a video on that. But other than that, like the other ponytails, I mean, that one was curly and sometimes I wanted it straight, so I couldn't straighten it because it was synthetic hair. So once I got this one, I'm like so excited about it. And it doesn't smell bad. It's actually, I'm sorry, I have a habit of smelling everything. I don't know why, but I do. So I'm actually like, I really love this color. It's like a 3-tone color, so it looks very natural. It feels beautifully, like you could definitely tell the difference between synthetic hair and, you know, fake synthetic hair and real hair. Sorry. So actually, like, you could even tell real hair when it's good and it's not. It's like crazy like how important it is to like buy hair and the right type of hair. So I'm super excited about this because I think it looks beautiful. I got the 22 inches. I don't know if I said that before, but this was $150, and to me it's like such a bargain because the other synthetic ones are like 40 bucks, and after 2 uses is like they're no good no more, so you have to keep buying them. So to me it's like cheaper to buy this than to keep buying the other ones. So this is what it looks like. I haven't tried it on, so hopefully I know how to put it on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like halfway here, and then we wrap it around. This one actually has Velcro right here. Oh yeah, I feel the Velcro-iness of it. So we're gonna do this to it. I have a thing where I freak out if I think that my ponytail's gonna fall off, like when I'm walking or something. So I know maybe this isn't the best thing for it, but I do make sure I put like a rubber band around it because I don't want it to fall off. So I rather struggle a little bit than make it fall off. So there we go. There, now it feels very secure. Ooh, I love it. Put it on the back so you can see it. my god, it feels so beautiful. Guys, I really love it. I should put the black one. I only have these two that I brought down with me that it came with. Okay. I love it. It looks absolutely beautiful and it feels really, really good. Like I said, it might be a little bit darker, but it actually matches really, really good to my hair. Because I don't have a mirror right in front of me, I don't know how great it looks, but as far as texture, as far as everything like that, I absolutely love it. It feels so beautiful. This is what it looks like in the back. I haven't even seen it from the back, but I can already tell you that I do love it. Wow, it feels so good. This package right here, as I don't know if I said before, but it is 60 days that you get to return it if it's not your color or if you don't like it. But make sure that you don't wear the hair, because then they will know and then you can't take it out of the packaging. I was so impressed with this, but it comes with the shampoo and the conditioner with it for it, and it comes with a treatment for your extension. So I thought that was a really cool touch, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it so far. It feels so good. It feels like way different than my synthetic hair, so I actually feel more comfortable knowing that I have real hair on. Of course, they could probably tell it's not my real hair, but as long as I feel comfortable with it, which I do, and I actually really love it. It's like so beautiful. So I can't wait to play around with it, curl it, crimp it, all that. But I would still be kind of like careful with it, because you don't want to do too much with it and mess it up. So, but I actually do like the straightened ponytail. It's actually very pretty. So if I didn't do it right, sorry, it's because I don't have like a mirror right in front of me. I'm just like kind of feeling it, and I have a mirror, but it's like kind of far. But yes, it's very easy to put on, so I am in love with it. So yes, so far I recommend it. I haven't worn it out or anything, but I will give you guys an update maybe like in a couple months to let you guys know how it's holding up, if it's worth it to me still in a couple months. So far so good. I actually love it a lot. So we'll see how it goes. So definitely check this company out. It is called ZALA, and I'm excited about it because they also have like tape extensions. They also have clip-ons. They also have like all these crazy extensions that you could choose from, so they don't only specialize in ponytails. So that's kind of exciting that I have found a company where I could order hair and I know my hair color. So yes, I recommend it. So anyways, we'll see you guys next time. I would really love it if you guys would subscribe and like my video. If you guys have any comments, please comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible, and I will see you next time.